Hello, I'm Douglas. Hello, I'm Uru.
Do you like to do ambience?
Yes, I do.
How many ambience do you do?
Four.
Every ambience is one color?
Giuseppe is green. Lulu is yellow. Marta is blue. Angelina is red. Bye. Hello, my name is Mara. Hello, my name is Poppy. Infantil do ambience every Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. With Olivia, we do ambience yellow. With Georgina, we do ambience red. See you soon. Bye. Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Lars. We're gonna explain more things of ambience. With Marta, we do ambient blue. Constructions. With a lot of material, and we can build what we imagine. With Josep, we do ambient green busquet. With a lot of materials. We can play outside. This is all. See you soon. Bye. Hello, my name is Lena. Hello, my name is Emilia. We are at first grade. On April 24, it explores we have done at school. It's a literary competition in which the whole school participates. 3 prizes we give to class. Each class did a different type of text, like stories, poems, comics, and more. We had to invent a story and we really enjoyed it. Bye. Morning, this is Greta from Agnès School. I'm very happy to announce this news with my classmate Bea.
Hi, I'm Bea, and here we are to tell you more about news from April. All the second grades chose to inform you about a 3-day school trip.
We went to Mas Bañeras, a big house in a lovely place in the mountains near Centellas, a village of witches and wizards.
The school trip was for 3 days and 2 nights. They flew by because we had so much fun.
Every school year, 2nd and 4th graders go to the same trip together. Our teacher Julia, Emma, Carol, and the principal Vignette came with us.
36 students participated in the experience, 18 from each class.
We played the role of farmers and we learned a lot of things about hens, donkeys, horses, amos, rabbits, and we could feed them.
There were many adventures, activities, such as zip line or bouncing from the top of a tree trail. We felt like squirrels.
So you know the mascot was Faristol. It was a squirrel who last time gave us a diploma for taking care of his house and the nature.
There was a huge room for all the children from 2nd grade. Everybody had their own teddy bear and their favorite book to feel like home.
We really enjoyed the food and we could have as much we like. After dinner, we did night activities and we could use our flashlights.
We had so much fun. We want to repeat the experience next time, and we wish everybody can join us in 4th grade because we missed everybody who could not come. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Said.
My name is Alina.
We're all 3rd grade. We want to explain what we did on April 20th in Vilanova y Las Geltrú.
We will to do Africs. We will also wish for gathers and students from other schools.
We split into different groups, and each group played for about 20 minutes. When these 20 minutes passed, we changed the games until we played them all.
There were 7 different events. steeplechase, relay race, long jump, and shot put.
It was a very fun and lovely morning.
Goodbye and see you soon.
Good morning, everyone.
My name is Luca.
My name is Brad. And my name is Alex. We're in 3rd grade.
On the 26th of May, the boys and girls of 1st, 3rd, 5th, and 6th grade went to La Fragata Beach with their senators to play sports.
We wanted to celebrate Sports Day and encourage people to include more sports in their everyday life.
We split into different groups, and each group played a game for about 15 minutes. When these 15 minutes passed, we changed games until we played them all.
So when I had breakfast together on the beach. After breakfast, we continued playing sports, such as football and athletics.
We went back to school at lunchtime.
It was a very sunny day, and we had a great time.
Bye!
Hello, my name is Anastasia.
Hi, I'm Bonnie,
Hi, I'm Tommy.
and we are from 4th class.
This month we had the opportunity to go auditorium Barcelona to the Cantana, the Doors of the World 2023.
Around 20 schools participated. That is almost 1,000 students singing together.
We sang 15 songs in 4 choirs.
The story was about a blind girl who wanted to travel around the world. We all loved the experience because it was unforgettable.
Our music teacher, Rafa, helped us to learn the songs and the choreographies.
The week after, we went to 3-day school trip. We did a lot of activities. Zip line, disco night, restaurant tour. They are very fun.
We also did a notebook of Bitácora to record our best moments.
Our instructor name was Larry. He was very kind and positive. We will never forget this trip.
Al abril, activitats 1000!
Hello, we are the Axolotl class. In 5th grade is now doing sailing every Tuesday at 3 p.m. till 4:30. We go to the Club Noticies and we go and learn to kayak, bodyboard, sailing, etc. We have lots of fun. Our class loves to do these activities because we are getting how to learn and use different boats. We look like Pirates of Caribbean. Hey, hey, my hearts!
From 1st to 4th grade, they do swimming, but we have the benefit of doing sailing. To go sailing, we wear neoprenes if the water is cold, but otherwise, we do inner swimsuit. And finally, here we have some videos and photos of us doing sailing. Hope you enjoy! Bye!
Hello everyone,
I am Adele.
I am Allison.
And I am Efra. We are students from 6th grade. Today we are going to explain you our last school trip.
From the 10th to the 12th of May, we enjoyed a lot of spending time together in Tamarit.
The first day, when we arrived in the morning, we played Splat and other traditional games. In the afternoon, we walked by the side of Gayal River until we arrived to Tamarit Beach. There, we ate a piece of chocolate cake. At night, we played clue games. We have to run a lot and we had fun.
The second day, we went on a kayak and we also did paddle surf. When we were in the water, we did a balance game on the paddles. We tried to find a circle ball and we did rice.
In the afternoon, we did sports games, and after that, we played Nightline. It was about a circle path with obstacles and pairs. At night, we built a boogie cooperatively, and then we danced a lot in the disco.
The last day, we went to visit Tamarind Cliffs. The views were breathtaking. Moreover, they explained us the history of the town.
Throughout the 3 days, the food was very good. There was macaroni, pizza, ice cream, pineapple, boiled vegetables, soup, and we were allowed to repeat as many times as we liked.
The bedrooms were very big and the beds were comfortable.
There were amazing days. We disconnected from school and they were ideal days to say goodbye.
See you later, alligator!